Our success story using ETO software is an SROI study, social return on investment, that we did about 1.5 years ago. The SROI study showed really positive outcomes, which was a pleasant surprise, and showed returns in the pretty significant range, close to $2 on a dollar invested in the first year invested, and for the Bridges to College program as high as, I believe it was $18 or $19 for a 30-year return on money spent on Bridges to College. So the data that we used from ETO consisted of a wide variety of things, and things along the lines of demographics, breaking people into groups that would then be compared with similar groups' earnings at various degree levels, but also specific degrees that people were targeting in Bridges to College and so on.